So you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing haul Doterra video. So if you guys don't know, this past month was the month where if you spend 200 PV, you get a free bottle of Immortelle, which is a rollerball and anti-aging blend. And that was the Canadian promo, and then the US promo was a bunch of things. So you get like the On Guard essential oil, a wild orange essential oil, an On Guard toothpaste, and an On Guard hand spray, hand sanitizer kind of thing. Amazing. So many good promos. I'm so excited. I got so much stuff, you guys, and I'm going to share it all with you. So before we dive into this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, you guys. And without further ado, let's dive into this Doterra haul. Okay, the giant box. So excited. I haven't even opened this or been through it or prepped any of this with you guys. I'm literally just opening it right this second. And it's so exciting. Alright. What is happening? What is this about? Why is it? I don't even know what to tell you. Okay, so this is very, very, very exciting. So Doterra Bath and Body Bar, you guys aren't using this yet? What is going on in your life? Because this stuff is so good. Bergamot and grapefruit, the most amazing 2 cents you can put into something. And then another household favorite of mine, you guys, the hand and body lotion. This stuff has changed my life. I am a lotion crazy lady. I literally lotion head to toe every single day. Every time I shower, I'm obsessed with lotion. And this lotion is unscented, not full of chemicals, not full of parabens, not full of synthetics, not full of alcohol, not full of fragrance, not full of anything terrible for you. So you can use this just plain old Jane like I do, or you can add your own favorite essential oils to it to make your body have more benefits and more amazingness and make your skin more beautiful and smell delicious. And you guys, I can't even tell you how amazing this stuff is. So get on board with the hand and body lotion because oh my god, it's seriously revolutionary. Love this stuff. So I bought the 3-pack, so it was cheaper to buy a 3-pack, and I used so much of it. So next things I got were more of the anti-aging skincare line. So I will be doing a full review of this product line once I've gotten through the entire product line, but I've only been buying piece by piece because it is fairly affordable to do it all in one hit, but I don't want to order just anti-aging products on my LRP every month. I just want to order a mix of stuff. So I figured that it was yeah, time to order some more. So I bought the tightening serum, which is good for tightening your skin, anti-aging, spots, wrinkles, yada yada yada. I'll go more in full review when I actually do a full review video on this. But you use this right after you use the toner, and then you use the anti-aging hydration cream. I think this says hydration. Oh, anti-aging moisturizer. I'm so excited, you guys. I love Doterra. There is jasmine and a bunch of other great stuff in here, and then this one's got myrrh, just oils that are so good for anti-aging, so good for your skin. So I'm really starting to see a difference over the past few months with using the skincare line. So I'm really, really, really excited about adding more of it and just going all anti-aging crazy over here because it's just my life. So yeah, that is happening. And then look at the wad of oils I got going on. Okay, so whenever you spend over 125 PV point value on your Doterra order, you're going to get the free product of the month. So I got the free bottle of rosemary essential oil. Now you guys, rosemary is probably my favorite essential oil. It's probably really high up there. I'm going to do a full video on rosemary and talk about the benefits of adrenal fatigue and lots of amazing things that it can assist with. I really want to dive into a full review video on that and talking about adrenal fatigue because rosemary is one of those oils that is so supportive. So I will get more into that, but rosemary is just amazing to cook with, amazing for your health, for internal uses. There's just so many things that I can't even get into detail about, but rosemary, obsessed, love. Such a good oil. And it was free because I spent over 125 PV. I spent 200 PV. So yeah, rosemary was free. So then I got a rollerball of the Aspire. This is one of the limited edition essential oils, and I bought this for a friend of mine because my friend wanted to buy this from me, and it is limited time only. It smells so good. It's so invigorating. There's lime in here, a bunch of other essential oils that are just like really invigorating and really lifting and really, really energizing. So I've been using this blend for the gym specifically, which helps give me like a boost to get through my workout and through the gym, which is awesome. So I've been doing that with the Aspire. I also bought Peace oil, which I meant to buy the Peace rollerball, which I'm really not happy about because this is my most used rollerball and I'm almost completely out. So I think that I'm going to have to make my own rollerball of this because I love this stuff so much. So we're gonna do that. And then I bought a bottle of peppermint. It is great for assisting with allergies. It's amazing for supporting achy and tight muscles and tension in your body. So applying this to sore muscles, aches and pains is super wonderful. Also diffusing it to get like an energy boost, inhaling it to get an energy boost, putting a drop in your mouth for a mint refresher instead of chewing gum. It's amazing if you have a sunburn happening. Apply this to your burnt hot sunburn with some coconut oil. It helps so much for helping bring down that inflammation and that hotness of the sunburn. It's like super, super awesome for that. And also make sure to apply coconut oil fractionated with it so that way you don't have it being too strong for your sunburn. And also be mindful of putting this on and then going out into the sun. It is one of those oils that you need to be careful of being exposed to the UV light. I always try to spoil myself with one beautiful oil. I'm so excited about this. Neroli. Oh my god, I've been buying all of the rollerballs and I'm obsessed and I love them, like Jasmine and Rose, all of the new ones that came out a few months ago, and I finally got Neroli and I'm so excited. I haven't even smelled it yet. This is the first time. It's the first time it's happening. Whoa, that is not what I expected it to smell like. Crazy. It smells way different. It's like old lady. Like how people smell rose, they think like old lady. Like this one definitely has some like old lady happening. Oh, like it's like a super pungent flower. Like I didn't realize neroli was a flower. I, for some reason, thought that neroli may have been a citrusy smelling fruit. It still smells incredible. But wow, I smell like my grandma. Yeah, it is a bitter orange flower. I was pretty sure it was orange. And this one doesn't say anything about UV sensitivity, so it should be totally safe to use. So that is the oil I got for the month, Neroli. And then, of course, the Immortelle, which I got for free with my LRP because I spent 200 PV this month. Immortelle Essential Oil Blend. Apply sparingly to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections. In case of skin stuffing, dilute with coconut oil. So I have heard that Immortelle is very, very strong, and to the point where like it can make people's face feel like it's burning because it's very, very high strength. And of course, when you're using high quality, good essential oils, you're going to have more risk of burning or hurting your skin just because of the high quality and how strong they are, because you only need one drop to actually do an effect and actually do something. So it is something to be really mindful of when you are using certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils. So I have heard a lot of things from people on forums and chats about Immortelle and how it is very, very strong on the skin. So I'm going to probably dilute this personally into my own rollerball because I've heard a lot of things about it. So, oh, it smells good though. Oh, that smells so good. This is an expensive bottle of oil. This is like an $80 bottle of oil. So, $80 worth of your skincare and beauty regime. So, I'm going to sparingly use this like it says. We're going to try the skincare line, and then we're going to try the Immortelle, maybe under the eyes. I've heard some great things about anti-aging and fine line wrinkles. So I think I'm going to try it on like those areas, like under the eyes, like the forehead lines, the neck lines, and kind of see where it puts me at. So I would like to like take another 10 years back off. Even though I'm not really aging yet, I just want to like take back any signs of aging. So that is Immortelle, you guys. So that is my LRP for this month. So it's like a super raw and honest, like just unboxing, and like I honestly hadn't smelled neroli or that in like at all. So yeah, that was it. That is my LRP. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment down below if you guys have used any of these products and you love or don't love. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit up my Instagram for seeing more posts and more motivational stuff and everything that I do in the Char way. So my link is up here for you guys. And don't forget, of course, to like this video and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.